All right, guys, I wanted to clarify and make sure we all understand what we're doing as far as the Delta Math activity goes. In your exercises, you are asked to give your answer as a fraction and in terms of pi. So I wanted to make sure, in case some of you are a little shaky with your fractions, that you understand what this means and how to do it. So I've got my Desmos scientific calculator up here. And I've got a couple of problems that we had done in class. And if we look here at this first one, we had 2 pi times 6 times 107 degrees over 360. So to do it in terms of pi, remember, we just multiply everything except for the pi and divide by 360. And it gives us this decimal, all right? So to get this as a fraction and in terms of pi, just hit the little circle next to it. And this one is 107 over 30, okay? It's okay if it's kind of a weird fraction. That happens. So our answer for this one, you would enter as 107 over 30 pi. That would be our solution for that one, okay? Now, if you do multiply by pi, you'd get 11.2 just like we did, but that's how the Delta Math is going to want you to enter your answer, okay? I'll just run through it again a couple more times so you can see this. Number 2 here, we have 2 times pi, I'll leave that off, times 15 times 38 over 360. That comes out to 3.16 repeating. I hit that, and we got 19 over 6. So I would enter my answer in Delta Math as 19/6 pi. Okay? Number 3, 2 times pi times 4 times 218 over 360. Okay, 2 times, I'll leave out the pi, times 4 times 218 over 360. All right. And this time it even gave me as a fraction 218 over 45. Okay, so I would write that now as 218 over 45 pi. And the nice thing is that this will reduce the fractions for you as well. So it's a really cool tool. Last one, number 4, 2 times 9.5 times 72 over 360. And you notice that one simplifies to 19/5. Okay, if it gives you as a decimal, again, just hit the fraction bar and it'll convert it. So I would enter my answer as 19/5 pi. All right, and that's the same for the arc length and the sector area sections. Hope that clarifies things and makes it easy. All right, and I'll hope you have a good day, and I'll see you on Monday.